Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your relationship status on Facebook. So whether you're single, married, divorced, widowed, in any case, you can go ahead and change those settings pretty easily. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start by navigating over to our Facebook profile page and select the About tab. On the left side, you want to select Family and Relationships, and then underneath Relationship, add a relationship status. Click the little plus sign here. So you can click on the drop-down and select a different option depending on whatever your preference is, and then select Save. You can also change the visibility by selecting the pencil icon, and then where it says Public, you click inside of there, and you can select it if it's public, friends, or only you. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.